Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the BDO Travel Soap Box or soap dish, which is in this box right here. This is going to be a travel soap dish that you can currently get on Amazon for about $7. This is going to be their beige color, but they have 4 separate color options, including beige, a teal, a pink, and a white color. I recently purchased this just because I needed a new soap dish for the gym. And so what we'll do is we'll just take this out of the packaging and show you what it looks like. As far as the main highlights of this product is it's going to have a silicone lid on the top like this, and then a solid plastic on the bottom, which will be clear so you can see right through it. And the nice thing about this is it's going to encompass a soap dish tray inside the bottom that'll allow you to store the soap directly onto this dish, and so that any water or residue after you shower or use the soap bar, it won't like soak into the bar, so it minimizes your soap from getting kind of soaked and wet and kind of like gross and kind of just really wet. So that's the nice thing about it. The other main thing about this is that with the lid here, they do emphasize that this should be waterproof. We'll test it in a moment. But the nice thing about that is that even if there's residual water in here, you won't get your bag wet from it leaking and that sort of thing from that aspect of things. So that's the main highlights here. I've got a couple soap bars here that we'll just test out just for the size purposes. So this is just like your standard soap bar, so it fits really well there. This is my actual like shampoo bar, so that's about the size there. If I wanted to add my conditioner bar, I couldn't really use that. So really it only will allow you to use one kind of like solid size soap bar as far as fitting in here, but it fits really easily. If you do have a shampoo bar or conditioner bar that's a little bit smaller, probably about half this size, you could probably fit it in like side by side, but this is like a standard size shampoo bar or conditioner bar, and that does take up the whole space there. So that's it as far as the size component. Now what I'll do is I'll just test this out as far as the waterproof nature of it, so you can get a sense of whether it really is waterproof or not. Okay, so I thought the easiest way to test out whether this is waterproof is just to pour some water in here. And so what we'll do is just pour this probably about halfway or so as far as filling it up, and then we will throw on the lid, snap it into place, and then just basically turn this on its side and see if it starts leaking. And as you can see, it's actually starting to leak. The camera angle is not that great, but basically on the seam, it's basically leaking through the side here. And so it is not waterproof from that standpoint. So the claim that it is waterproof is not the case. It does block the majority of the water, as you can see here, but it does leak through the seam, through the lid. So just keep that in mind. But as far as soap, really, if you have a soap bar that has a little bit of residual water, it probably kind of protect it from that standpoint, but just keep in mind it might still leak even in your bag. So put it in a place that's safe from that standpoint, or purchase something that's more waterproof. But for me, this will work as far as storing a soap bar that was just used and has a little bit of residual water. It'll keep it clean, compact as far as putting in my bag, which is really what I need for the gym. So that's all I have for this video, but this is the BDO Travel Soap Dish. You can currently get it on Amazon for about $7. They've got this beige color, a teal color, a pink color, and a white color. I'll leave links below if you're interested in purchasing it, but thanks for watching and have a great day.